The Khasi Students Union KSU on Saturday elected its new Central Executive Committee CEC for the 2026-2029 term, with Raymond Kajana taking over as the president of the students' body. The 16th election of the union was conducted by the election committee following the completion of the tenure of the outgoing CEC. Three major posts were decided uncontested in the election. Raymond Kajana was elected unopposed as president, while Ruben Najer and Pinkiman Langsanmit were declared elected uncontested as general secretary and vice president respectively. Polling commenced at 8 a.m., while the counting of votes was completed later the same day at Dinam Hall in Jayau, Shillong. Following the completion of the counting process, Election Committee Secretary Samuel B. Jerwa, who also serves as chairman of the Northeast Students Organization, NESO, officially announced the names of the successful candidates who contested in the election.
Kaji bi semat kalau company yang kaji seluruh sepi banbak ekor banbak kekam ko ke isu mo kairan benda di pun stand play susu play tip kami dari kam musuh dari kam kabar kam yang kaji ngesya kabar kam yang kaji yang next time kabar kam yang kaji seluruh manusia isi terhadap Kibuan mantapur kabaran penuh macingnya dan tak dawa macam ini. Kita jumpi semua manusia di Indonesian form, menfile di Indonesian joki, menjadi election dari yang jumpi yang kecil seluruh di semua. Di bawah itu perempuan di Wali Presiden berteman bersama mentak sedang ada akun real atau akun kenal lajir bila imam perempuan bersama Raymond Kajana di Khadi wa Subha Kapus yang jadi sekretari Raymond Berjir yang sama Ruben Anderson Najer dengan Khadi yang Vice President Raymond banyak terkati yang ada dekat sama Pinkiman Langsanmit Kamlan Nono Bajile dengan Khadi Angkus Assistant General Secretary Kinangile kita naruh kata sama Melajit Kumbu bersama Pensyai Warlang Rani di sana ki board berkat berkat kilo sausupa asal saja milu supa lai pukundai batin gali board kilo lai pusaukuni di Melajit Kumbu layo syaja milu supa akwa ba isama Pensyai Warlang Rani layo aja praspa akulah